If you're sitting in a house that's too big for where you are in life right now, you're not alone. The kids are gone or almost gone. You've got rooms you don't use, a yard you don't want, and maintenance that never stops. But you're not ready for a condo. You still want quality. You still want your own space. You still want a garage. This is the answer. Brand new construction in Lemont, Illinois, with a move-in ready unit available right now, starting at $690,000. And Beechen Dill is currently offering $10,000 you can put toward your closing costs or a rate buy down. Let me show you exactly what this looks like. My name is Moses Bonilla, Chicagoland real estate agent specializing in the suburbs. Today we're walking through the Ravello model at Villas at Rolling Meadows, a brand new townhome community by Beechen Dill Homes right here in Lemont, Illinois. I'm going to show you the floor plan, break down the community, and talk honestly about what this kind of move actually looks like, right? So the trade-offs, the benefits, and whether this product makes sense for where you are in life. If you're thinking about downsizing in the Chicago suburbs and you want a clear picture before you make any decisions, stay with me. And grab my free new construction buyer's guide in the description before your next builder visit. Now, the Ravello is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-story townhome coming in around 2,200 square feet with a 2-car garage. Here's what makes this floor plan work specifically for the downsizer. The owner suite is on the main floor. You don't have to go upstairs to get your bedroom. This is not a small thing. This is a quality of life decision that matters more and more as the years go on, and most 2-story homes don't even give you that. The main level is an open concept, kitchen, dining, and family room all connected. It flows well and it lives bigger than the square footage suggests. Upstairs, you've got 2 additional bedrooms and a loft style layout, perfect for when the kids or grandkids come to visit, a dedicated home office or a guest suite. Now, 3 full bathrooms means nobody is sharing, and the layout keeps your daily life entirely on one floor while giving the option of a second floor when you need it. There are 3 Ravello homes currently available in this community. Home site number 5 is move-in ready right now, priced at $690,000. Home sites 3 and 4 are July 2026 delivery homes, priced at $710,000. And with $10,000 in flex cash available from the builder, that number moves before you even get to the closing table. Worth knowing, several homes in this community are already sold. There are 12 total units and multiple are gone. This is not a development with unlimited runway. Villas at Rolling Meadows is a boutique cluster of just 12 brand new townhomes built by Beechen Dill Homes, tucked inside an established single-family neighborhood in Lemont. That setting is actually one of its strengths. You're not living in a sea of new construction. You're in a mature, established neighborhood with the benefit of a brand new home. Beechen Dill is a family-owned builder with over 50 years of experience in the Chicago suburbs, not a national production builder cranking out hundreds of homes. This is a local builder with a track record and reputation that matters to them. For a buyer who values craftsmanship and doesn't want to feel like a number in a system, that distinction is worth paying attention to. Now, Here's what the Lemont location gives you. You're near I-355 and I-55, which puts you in a strong position for getting around the western suburbs and into the city when you need to. Downtown Lemont is close, and Lemont's downtown has genuine character. Historic buildings, local restaurants, boutique shops, and a community feel that you don't find in a lot of suburban areas. The Illinois and Michigan Canal Trail runs right through the area, flat, scenic, and perfect for walking or biking. And if you have family coming in from out of town, you're 22 miles southwest of downtown Chicago, close enough to everything and far enough from the noise. I also want to address the school question directly because even for buyers who are past the school age years, school district quality still matters. It drives home values, it signals community investment, and it affects resale. Villas at Rolling Meadows is served by Lemont Bromberg School District 113A for elementary and middle school, and Lemont Township High School for high school. Now, Lemont Township High School carries an A+ overall grade from niche and ranks number 38 among all public high schools in the state of Illinois. That's a top school district by any measure, and it protects the value of your investment long after your kids are grown. This is where Lemont genuinely surprises people. The Ford de Lemont Quarries is right here, a 300-acre outdoor adventure park built on historic quarry land. Zip lines, rock climbing, kayaking, mountain biking, hiking trails, outdoor concerts, and adventure dining. It features the largest aerial challenge course in North America. It's one of the most unique outdoor amenities in the entire Chicagoland area, and it's in your backyard. The Illinois and Michigan Canal Trail gives you miles of walking and biking paths through scenic landscape. And downtown Lemont has its own energy, local events, festivals, and a community that takes pride in where it lives. For buyers who spent decades in a neighborhood and are worried about losing that sense of place, Lemont is the right answer. I want to have an honest conversation about what this move actually looks like because I think you deserve that more than a sales pitch. When you downsize from a single-family home into a townhome, you are making a trade. You are giving up square footage, a yard, and the kind of independence that comes with owning a standalone home. That is real and it's worth acknowledging. But here's what you're getting in return, and this is the part most people don't think through clearly until they're living it. You're getting rid of the maintenance. No more lawn, no more exterior upkeep. No more worrying about the roof or the driveway or the gutters. In a well-run townhome community, that is handled. Your weekends belong to you again. You're getting a home that fits where you are right now. Not the home you needed when you had 3 kids and a dog and a reason to use every room. The home you need now, thoughtfully designed, single-level living for your daily routine with guest space upstairs when the family visits. And you're getting $10,000 from the builder that you can put directly toward closing costs, which reduces what you bring to the table at closing, or toward a rate buy down, which reduces your monthly payment from day one. That is real money applied in a way that directly affects your financial picture. Before you decide how to use it, talk to your lender and compare both options. I'm happy to help you think through that conversation. The question isn't whether this home is smaller than what you have now. It is. The question is whether it's the right size for the life you're actually living. That's a decision only you can make, but I want to make sure you have the full picture before you make it. If you're thinking about making this kind of move in Chicago suburbs and you want someone who will give you a straight answer, not a sales pitch, reach out. There is a move-in ready unit available right now and 2 more coming in July. With several homes already sold in a 12-unit community, the window here is real. My contact info is in the description. And grab my free new construction buyer's guide. It covers everything you need to know before you sit down with any builder, including what questions to ask about incentives like this $10,000 flex cash. Link is below, no pressure, just clarity. Now, here's what we've covered. The Ravello at Villas at Rolling Meadows by Beechen Dill Homes. 4 beds, 3 full baths, 2,200 square feet, 2-car garage, owner suite on the main floor, and a layout that puts your daily life on one level without sacrificing spaces for guests. A boutique cluster of brand new townhomes tucked inside an established single-family neighborhood in Lemont, near I-355 and I-55, served by Lemont Township High School, ranked number 38 in Illinois, with the Forge Adventure Park and the Illinois and Michigan Canal Trail right in your backyard. A move-in ready unit available now at $690,000 with $10,000 in flex cash towards closing costs or rate buy down, and July delivery options at $710,000. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. I cover new construction across the Chicagoland suburbs every week. And if you're wondering how this compares to other downsizing options in this market, that video is coming. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.